Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today I'm going to talk about Bitcoin, about Ethereum, about all the situation that's happening right now in the market. Right now we are in very important moment. And this moment will decide to where the Bitcoin, to where the Ethereum and the Bitcoin dominance if we're speaking about alt season to where we're going in the next weeks, in the next months. Of course, in this video, I'm going to talk about the Federal Reserve, about John Powell. Yesterday, Federal Reserve had a very huge meeting. Everyone is waited for this meeting, and we will talk actually what happened in this meeting. Actually, nothing is happened in this meeting, but we will talk about that. We will talk about support and resistance level of Bitcoin, of Ethereum, and of Bitcoin dominance. This is very important. There is a huge fraud right now about Bitcoin, about mining in Russia, and what happened actually to this fraud at its end very fast. Very fast. I want to tell you from the bottom of my heart, I really like when there is a fear in the market, when there is a lot of fraud in the market. This is actually telling me to buy Bitcoin. If you think like me, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, and let's start with this very important video. So the price for the Bitcoin is 36,500 US dollars for one Bitcoin. We fell in the last 24 hours by 4 percentages. Yesterday was a very bullish day, but then something happened. I will tell you what happened and why right now we are falling and until when we will fall. This is very important. The price of the Ethereum is 2,400 US dollars for one Ethereum. We fall by again 5 percentages. You can see that the Bitcoin and the Ethereum they are falling something the same percentages. If you are looking about Cardano, about Solana, about Polkadot, when the market is falling, they are falling really hard. About Matic with a huge potential. You can see that the Bitcoin dominance in this is very important because a lot of people are asking me about alt season. So actually the Bitcoin dominance right now is 42 percentages. As I told you in the last video, there is a huge support at 42 percentages Bitcoin dominance. If we are falling below these percentages, it means that the alt season will start, but of course the alt season is starting only when the market is bullish. So I think that if we are breaking the 42 percentages, we need to wait if we are standing there around the 40 percentages and going to 39 and that we are not going back to 42 percentages, and we need to wait for the alt season if the Bitcoin will be bullish. Very interesting to see that in the last 24 hours, actually in all the biggest exchanges, the volume is rise by 33 percentages, 29, 25, 23 percentages. Market looks very good right now. And of course, I will tell you why, because yesterday evening, John Powell, yeah, and this is the Federal Reserve, yeah, press conference that yesterday told us. Actually, they didn't tell nothing new. They just told us that the inflation is very high, and we really know that because they are telling us that the inflation is 7-8 percentages. Actually, I want to tell you that the last time when I go to the supermarket, even half a year ago, everything rised in the prices, not but 7-8 percentages, more than 10-15 percentages. Everything, all the prices are raised. So I think that the inflation, the official inflation that they are telling us, it's not true. And the most positive thing that yesterday I saw in this press conference is Jerome Powell don't know what will happen. You can see that yesterday we saw a very bullish signs where the conference is started. Yeah, the Bitcoin price go to 39,000, then it fall to 36,000 because Actually, Jerome Powell don't know what to say. He told us that he don't know what will happen in the next month, in the next months. He told us the many that will rise the rates, but he really don't know. He need to see the situation and what it means, what it's so positive. Because actually, what he's telling us in another words, that Jerome Powell told us that he want to save the market. He don't want that the market will fall. He don't want crisis around the world, and the inflation is very very high. So actually it's not rising the rates by now, so we need to wait to merge. But in the same time, he's telling us that he wants to keep the S&P 500, Nasdaq, and all these indices that they will rise. So actually didn't tell us nothing, but I think that yesterday the press conference was very, very positive. There is a fear in the market, of course, because when he will rise the rates, it's a very, very short term. Again, it's a short term, very, very bad news to the market. But in the midterm, long term, I think that this news is very, very good because the inflation is very, very high, and actually they are saving the market. So what's happened yesterday is very very bullish, is very very good. The price of the Bitcoin right now is 36,500, as we spoke just a few minutes ago. I want to tell you that right now we're in the capitulation. Right now the whales are buying Bitcoin. So what I'm telling to all the people, all, everyone who is looking right now to the video, don't sell your Bitcoin, don't open leverage positions, because if you saw about leverage, guys, and this is very very important, you can see that even if you are opening leverage position of just 2x2, you can see that even if the Bitcoin prices is falling by 50 percentages, you are just losing all your money in the position. Even if you are opening a leverage position of 6 or 10, you can see that even in the small fall, yeah, you can lose something around 25 percentages. 25 percentages, it means that everyone who opened X4 leverage position in this moment, just in these 2 weeks, only X4 just lose his money. Leverage 4 is very, very small leverage. So be careful with leverage. But I want to tell you that if you are buying Bitcoin and you are keep your Bitcoin in the spot, so this is the best option. Don't sell your Bitcoins because the whales are buying right now. You can see that this support level is actually of 29,000, 28,500. This support level, we saw it in the last year of January 21. So we are again in the same places when in the capitulation. The whales are buying right now Bitcoin. So don't sell your Bitcoin to the whales, because when you will stop to sell your Bitcoins to the whales, the price of the Bitcoin will go to the upside. If you think like me, guys, it's very very important. Click on the subscribe button and like button, subscribe, and help the channel to grow, that more people will see this important video. Don't sell your Bitcoins to the whales. So you can see that there is a huge, huge resistance at the prices of 42,000. I will tell you when I think that we will be here. In the short term, I see the situation in the market very, very bearish. I think that we will touch again, the prices of 29, 30,000, because here there is a lot of liquidation of leverage positions, people that don't think that we will go there, but I think that we will touch again just for a few hours, maybe 1 2 days, the 28,000. Make extremely fear. It's not a financial advice, but I think that it will happen. So you can see this capitulation level. It's very important that you will see actually the volume in these levels. Look at this crazy volume in these levels. You can see that in these high levels we don't see this crazy volume. This volume started only when we are in this zone of capitulation. But on March, after the Federal Reserve, that they will rise the rates in the short term, it will be very very bad for the market. We will go to the downside. But after a few days, maybe 1 week, I think that we will break the 42,000. The bull run will continue. I don't think, if you're asking me, that the bull run is over. I think that right now what's happening is just, they are breaking all the leverage position because the leverage is still very, very high. And that's it. Actually, this is how I'm seeing the market on Bitcoin. On Ethereum, the situation is looking the same. We have here a huge room to fall to the 2000 US dollars for one Ethereum. Even there is a huge support at 1700 for Ethereum. So the next support is 2000, then 1700. Again, look at the volumes at these capitulation levels. But a huge resistance is something around 3000. Again, look at the crazy volume and this position. So the market for me looks very good, very bullish. Maybe we will fall in the next 1 2 weeks, but if you are looking in the next months, I think the situation is very bullish. A lot of people are asking me about the ban, about the Russia ban to the cryptocurrencies. I think that it's just a FUD, and again, I told to you that it's just a FUD because Russia have very cheap electricity. One of the good things in Russia is the electricity. There is a lot of miners. It's the second country after the United States of America that mining cryptocurrencies. And then Putin, just after 1 week, that this thought that everyone spoke about this thought that Russia gonna ban cryptocurrencies. Putin told that we need to regulate cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin miners. It's very good because then the big money can come from Russia. The big companies, the big mining companies can become published when there will be a regulation in Russia. So actually, all the news here are very good. And why I told you that I think that very soon the market will go to the upside is because when you see this FOD, this is very good. It means that someone is writing this FOD that people will start to afraid, sell their Bitcoin, their Ethereum to the whales. Again, don't sell your cryptocurrencies to whales, and then the market will go to the upside. Another thing that I want to show you is the SEC, again, the United States of America, they rejected Fidelity ETF application, but Russia start to make smart moves. This is very important. And another very bully thing, Michael Saylor just 2 hours ago told, I am going to buy Bitcoin at all-time high forever. Um, it's very good, guys, and I'm telling you that I think that right now it's a very good time to enter to the Bitcoin price. 36,000 for one Bitcoin is a very good price. Even if Michael Saylor, yeah, someone who have a lot of experience, telling us that he will buy even at all-time highs at 70,000, so it means that this is actually the future. This is actually the future. And we will see that the market will go to the upside always because this is what I am believing. Um, so let's look. Investors put in the businesses more than 4.5 billion in the last year. But actually, look at this in this ban in Russia. This is very funny video. Yeah, this is actually Bitcoin miners. This is the Bitcoin ban. Just after few seconds, look what happened in the video. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like my video, if you like how I'm thinking, please click on the subscribe button, on the like button, support my channel, and see you in the next cryptocurrency video. Bye bye.